Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I go by the name of Diva. If you don't know, you better get to know. I'm just here doing this quick video showing you how I created this Christmas look. So if you're interested, let's just get straight into the video.
I never get what I really want. What is it you want?
this is the finished look. Not too sure about the wonky lash, but other than that, I love this look. Green's my favorite color. Please let me know what you think. Please comment down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel. It's not gonna hurt you. And yes, I'm actually feeling myself right now, me in my happy mood. But anyway, people, bye. Got to love you and leave you, and I shall see you guys on my next video. Mwah.